Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you an easier way to learn languages. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you may have noticed, I have opened my Google Play Store, and here in the search bar type in Busuu. Okay, so here it is, the first one, and as you may have noticed, I have done installing this ahead of time. So install it, and before we open it, let's take a look at the features available. So as you can see, best buy indie fast independent. Whether you want to learn a new language or brush up from your school days, we think Busuu is the perfect companion. We learn languages better all together. From business to travel, learn with others, master grammar and vocab, practice speaking out loud, make it official, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. So as you can see, I have already started Japanese learning. As you can see, lesson 2, lesson 3, I have done that already, starting from lesson 1 there, moving forward up to lesson 18. So you notice the check mark in here, the green check mark. That's an indicator that I have done that lesson. You can also download it if you see this download button here at the right portion, the download arrow. So let's go back to, okay, as you can see, you can choose which language you want to learn. So you can decide. As you may have noticed, I have selected Russian, Spanish, English. You can learn another language: French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, Polish, Turkish, Arabic. So it's up to you. So I started learning Japanese, and then once I'm done with Japanese, I'll move to Russian, Spanish, English. So just select the language, let's say French, and then for the French you can see an options: complete French, beginner, intermediate, and advanced lesson. The second one is French pronunciation, which can improve your skills and speak with more confidence. Third one is French for travel. If you're traveling to Europe, learn important words and useful phrases for your trip. French for business. So I highly suggest complete French, since it's going to start from scratch or from the beginner level to more advanced. So here, as you can see, let's close that. Starting from lesson 1, bonjour. Let's open it, and there, start. So there's a French at the top. Bienvenue et Busuu. It means welcome to Busuu. So we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves and greet others. C'est parti. Let's go. Bonjour. Hello, good day. And then after the lesson, you will be tested right away. So bonjour, there, it's correct one. Okay, this one here is the lights. You can see it's an information. Okay, so it's just a tip about this lesson. So if you're having problems, then just tap this light bulb icon at the top right portion, and then you will have a guides. So are you sure you want to quit? Yes, quit learning, and then let's go back to the home page. So if you select a language like French, it will automatically open for you the French language. If you select this, then you can jump to other languages. As you can see here, you can go back to Japanese, Spanish, Chinese, and other languages. So let's navigate to other options here, and this one is your vocabulary. So as you can see, bonjour, I have a vocabulary for today, and the grammar is there. For the French grammar, it's going to be posted in here. So as you can see, review now. If you want to continue learning it, you can go ahead and review it now, but I'm going to skip it for now. And then let's check this. Users across the world are learning language to speak. Okay, let's check this. Okay, what do you want? What do you speak? Let's just proceed with English. What language do you speak? English. Okay, accept and continue at the top. Okay, this is a community where you can practice with with your friends here. If your friends is also using Busuu, then you can connect with them. You can contact them here, make conversations, and ask them for help. Discover is if you're connected to a network, then you can connect with someone there. As you can see, choose the picture you want to talk to write about. Select any of the choices you want to, and it will show up here. I will just going to skip that for now. Let's check this there. So I'll leave it as default. Notifications is where you will be, as you can see there, Anna has asked you to correct their exercise. So some people are using Busuu, and then you will get a notification just like this one. So I like to make the bed, and I'll do it to do washing up. So this is the community there. So in the profile is where you can see your progress. As you can see, fluency for English, Russian, Japanese. I still have a long way to go, so you can actually see it here, and you can invite more friends. So if you select this one, you can add your friend or invite your friend. You can share this link, and then so as you can see, I have 5 passes left for adding a friend. So progress, exercise tab, and correction there. I have corrected one for German. And so in the settings, here is where you can change your personal information. I will not going to go in the settings since my information will be visible. So just think of the settings is where you can change your personal information, like your username, photos, email address, and so on. So let me just go back to learn here. So let's go back to a Japanese there. Okay, for the Japanese, there's a new learning program, this one here. So I haven't tried this yet. Okay, let me just try it. Next up, start. And okay, it's just a Japanese kanji. Okay, I'm familiar with the numbers, kanji numbers. So okay, you will hear a voice, and then you will select the correct one. So that's how you answer it. Okay, let me go back and again try to navigate this one here, and you will find this app really useful for learning languages, especially for people who's traveling abroad. So before we wrap up again, I just wanna let you know that the language learning app, where over 100 million people choose to learn Spanish, pick up a few French phrases, Japanese, or one of the other 9 different languages we have. So again, Busuu is a learning application, language learning application. You can learn Spanish, so from Spanish grammar and content from Spanish newspaper El País to a course to help you live your best life on your travels. And learn Japanese, whether you're memorizing the 3 Japanese alphabets, learning some more essential Japanese phrases, or working towards fluency in Japanese. French, if you need help with French business vocab, French travel vocab, or want to improve your French speaking skills, they have the French course. Use conversation to practice speaking with native speakers. Need Spanish, English, or Japanese speaking practice, no matter which language you're learning. The feature gives you access to feedback from native speakers. So organize your learning with the study plan feature. Never forget a word thanks to the vocabulary trainer. Excel with the grammar review feature. Receive official certification with McGraw-Hill. So once you have completed a particular lesson, then you will get a certificate of achievement. Next is learn on the go with offline mode. So just download it and then you can learn it offline. That's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.